Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into EA app website step by step. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice on your device, and then in the search bar simply type in EA app and then hit go or enter on your keyboard. Tap on the first link and then tap on the profile icon at the top center of your screen. If you have not created an account, you must hit create account. If you have created an account, then hit sign in. You must enter your phone number or your email address, hit next, and then enter your password to log into your account. You can also sign in using Google, Facebook, Xbox, Steam, or your PlayStation account. If you've not created your account, then simply hit create account, in which you'll have to select your country, date of birth, hit next, enter your email, and follow the on-screen instructions to create an account. You can also create an account linked with your Google, Facebook, PlayStation, Xbox, or PlayStation. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.